Ever wondered how to take care of orchids in a simple way? Imagine having a blooming, vibrant orchid right in your living room, brought to life by your own hands. Orchid care might seem daunting, but it's really not. This video will guide you through the process, breaking it down into achievable, easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a total newbie, you'll find this guide accessible and practical. So, get ready to become an expert in orchid care. First things first, understanding the basics. Orchids thrive in bright indirect light and temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They cherish a humid environment, so aim for a relative humidity of 50 to 75%. What else? Oh right, the potting mix. Ensure it drains well because orchids hate wet feet. They prefer their roots to be in the air rather than drowning in water. With these basics in place, you've already set your orchid up for success. Now let's move on to the care routine. To keep your orchid thriving, it's important to water and fertilize sparingly. Less truly is more with these delicate plants. Excessive watering can lead to root rot, while over-fertilizing may cause nutrient burn. Regular inspections are also crucial. Keep an eye out for any signs of pests or disease, and take immediate action if you spot trouble. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to orchid care. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Orchid care is straightforward with a few key points to remember. They thrive in a stable environment, prefer moderate watering and fertilizing, and regular inspections can catch issues early. Remember, caring for orchids can be both simple and incredibly rewarding, bringing beauty and life to your space. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!